I've finished my quilt top. I've picked out my wide backing. Now I just need to choose what batting to use. Batting can be a little bit confusing because there are so many different choices. Which one's going to be best for the particular quilt that I'm making? Here's a brief overview of the different types of batting you can choose to use. Cotton is the most common type of batting. Cotton gives the traditional flat look of the quilts you saw at Grandma's house. Cotton will shrink slightly, giving that crinkled, quilty look. It's also the easiest to care for, so you can machine wash and dry it for years and years of use. Polyester is probably the second most common type of batting. Polyester is extremely durable and can be washed and dried at higher heats, making it the perfect choice for baby quilts, placemats, and table runners. It also has a higher loft, giving a puffy look to a quilt if you really want to show off your quilting stitches. Wool is my favorite type of batting. Wool has exceptional drape. It has a little bit of loft to really show off your stitches, and the best part is it is perfect for all seasons and climates because wool is exceptionally breathable. I like to use wool for all types of quilts. It's especially wonderful for garments because it hangs beautifully on the body. Silk batting is a less common type of batting, but is unlike any other. It's the perfect choice for garments due to its unparalleled drape. It is also outstanding to use for any type of hand quilting project. Silk is extraordinarily warm, yet also very lightweight. The important thing to remember when caring for silk is that you need to hand wash it and lay it flat to dry. We hope this brief overview helps you pick out the perfect batting for your next quilting project. All of these are available in multiple sizes at Connecting Threads.